If you're the type of person who really cares about the condition of your vehicle and you really want to avoid stone chips and other types of damage to your vehicle, paint protection film is highly worth considering despite the investment cost. In a minute, we'll jump into some of the details of why knowing the type of film used in PPF is important. In the world of protection film, like other things in life, there are biases that go deep, like Android versus iPhone. But instead of being swayed by marketing, understand the differences so you can pick what's right for you. In my video, I'll show some clips of the install sped up to shorten the overall length of the video, but I'll get into some of the details of why I chose the products I did, as well as the installer, who ultimately is the one that chose those products. Since I only have experience with these products used on my vehicle, I will only comment on them and why I picked the installer that I did. Additionally, there's prep work that needs to be done to the paint if the vehicle is new or used, because anything you put the film on top of is going to be frozen in time, if you will. With that in mind, let's get into the details, and then we'll cut into the install that was performed at OzBraz on this MDX behind me. So first you see the guys here attacking the paint with a clay bar. That's just to remove any contaminants that may have been there before they installed the paint protection film. In our case, we've already taken care of that with our 3-stage buffing, and I did a clay bar before that. But they're doing it anyway, just to be sure. Then they remove any trim or emblems that will get in the way of the paint protection film. For difficult trim, they leave it on and then cut the PPF around it. Then the paint is wiped down with a mix of water and isopropyl alcohol to remove any wax or residue. The guys take multiple passes to make sure the surface is clean, because once the product goes down, it's stuck. For the hood, OzBraz uses a bulk product, meaning that this piece isn't cut from a template out of the plotter. It's a raw piece of material that's custom cut for the specific application. On their website, OzBraz says they can wrap aftermarket hoods with non-stock vents and louvers. So it's really up to you. Sometimes they have the template and there's a little bit of a cheaper price for that, or for the custom work, a custom hood or anything like that, they can also take care of that with the bulk product. You'll see that they're spraying the soapy lubricant to prevent scratching of the plastic film. Talking to Andrew, the owner, a lot of shops in this business set the protection film once and stretch it, leaving a distortion line in the adhesive. As they are working the panels, they also remove the product and liberally spray more soapy solution to set the protection film just right. The guys lift and reapply the film for alignment. When you see this kind of attention to detail and quality, it's understandable why the cost for a quality job like this costs what it costs. Competitors might settle for a set it once and forget it, but not at OzBraz. Sometimes it takes 3 or 4 times to get the job done right. To get total coverage, the product is cut to fold around the full corner versus the cheaper templates that leave the edges open to damage. The heater gun is then used to contour and fold around the hood as desired. The heater gun also makes the product more flexible and sticky for better adhesion. The guys at the shop go through a year of training before they can work by themselves on a car. In our case, we're doing the front third of our car because those are the panels most prone to damage, and due to the cost of the install and film, we're going to save about 2/3 of the cost of wrapping the entire vehicle with protection film. For those who want a matte-like finish, Suntek does offer protection film, and unlike some installers, OzBraz wraps all the way around the edges of the panels for complete coverage. So if you want that matte look, you can get it over the entire car, not just most of the car and then they skip the edges like some installs do. For maintenance and care, it goes without saying that no automatic car washes with brushes should be used. So any kind of touchless wash should be fine. Do-it-yourselfers at home should be okay, but be mindful of your car washing techniques and consult with a detailer who's experienced with caring for a car that has PPF on it, because there's just certain considerations that need to be done to maintain its hydrophobic properties. The products we're using for our install on our MDX are Suntek's Clear PPF Ultra, which is 8 mils thick. We're using that on our front fenders, bumper, and mirrors, which has the benefits of a hydro-resistant top coat, and more importantly, it's optically clear. This is a huge point here. If you've gone through all the effort to correct the paint on your car, and then you're putting protection film on top of it that obscures the clarity, you've kind of defeated the purpose of correcting the paint first. PPF Ultra also has the added benefit in that it's a self-healing coating. It uses heat from the engine or sun to repair micro-scratching of the film. We're also using PPF Ultra Defense on the hood, which is extra thick for higher impact resistance. That product is 11.5 mils thick. In Phoenix, where I live, rocks fly by like bullets, and I'm happy to say not one stone has penetrated that film on my Tacoma, which I also have this film on, and it's lasted well for the last 3.5 years. Speaking of warranty, Suntek's products are backed by a full 10-year product warranty, meaning that the film is covered, but the installation would need to be paid for again due to a product failure. Your specific installer would have the details on what's covered and what's not under warranty. Finally, we're using Stek's light protection film on our headlights. We also did this on our Tacoma, and we get compliments all the time. Where did we get these custom headlights? But to be clear, that this is not a window tint that we're putting on top of our headlights. This is also a paint protection film, and it's 8 mils thick. So not only do we get the added benefit of a cool custom look, but we're also putting protection on top of our headlights. And in these days, with LED housings getting more and more expensive, it's nice knowing that, one, we've got a custom look that we like, and two, we've got some protection on our expensive LED headlights. Vehicles are getting more and more expensive, and PPF is a great way to protect and maintain your investment. The attention to detail and standard of excellence at OzBraz is the very best, and if you're local to Phoenix, I can't give them a higher recommendation. Their work really is great. If you're not local to Phoenix or don't have a local shop that deals with Suntek or Stek protection films, I'm sure the team at OzBraz would be happy to work with you to arrange shipping to their facility. Thank you to all the new subscribers and commenters to the channel, and until next time, happy motoring. Bye-bye.